Hey guys, Emily from Create86 here. So today I'm doing an unboxing of my Cultivate What Matters Power Sheets. I ordered the Summer Refresh bundle. It was $75. So I've never used Power Sheets before and I wanted to use them for my One Book July. So welcome to my first One Book July video. I'm starting a little late and there's a reason for that. Let me explain. So I ordered my original bundle and it has been sitting in transit at my post office since July 1st. I don't know what that means. I don't know why UPS, like what is happening with it. It went from UPS to USPS and something happened. I don't know what. I've yet to go over to the post office and find out. However, I contacted Cultivate What Matters. They actually reached out to me and I replied to them. And Mackenzie was super helpful. Some of the best customer service I've ever experienced with a planner company, or really any company in general. She was more than generous. She said if your products arrive, you get to keep them for yourself or give them to a friend if you don't have a use for them after. And she overnighted, well, today, she overnighted a brand new package for me to make sure that I got my products because it was my first time ordering with them. So a shout out to Mackenzie for amazing customer service. Love it. I'll definitely order again. So I've never actually seen a Power Sheets in person, but I think I'm going to do a flip through of that at another time. But it is gorgeous. It is hardcover and it's super nice. So I can't wait to dig into that. I also got the Cultivate What Matters sticker that will be on my laptop. It comes with 3 bookmarks, which hold about 4 pieces of paper each. Super cute. Love that they match the colors. It also came with a sticker book, the goal setting sticker book, which is, it goes along with the colors, color coordinating and stuff for the goal setting. So that should be super awesome. It also comes with a perpetual calendar and their wildcard page packs. So there's all kinds of stuff in there. I'll go through that at a later date as well. I also got, oh, I didn't even order from the Bible. I think they were like Bible journals or something. This was supposed to go in that, so maybe they're just giving them away now. But they put one of those stickers in there as well. So I'll be putting that on my laptop as well. Super awesome. And it also comes with a today pack. It says today I am grateful for, today's priority to do, and then 6 a.m. till 9 p.m. Then at the bottom it has meal prep, exercise, and water. And that is 2 packages actually of it, I believe. Either that or it's one really thick one. I can't tell right now. It might just be one thick one, but that's super generous amount of pages. So I am super excited to have this and I can't wait to go through all the products with you guys and get started in planning for One Book July finally. All right guys, I will see you in the next one. Bye.